So the weather is like very good, and also the nature of this sound of water is looks very beautiful and amazing. Wow! And the beautiful flowers are also here, and they are also enjoying their moments. And the beautiful lush greenery and mighty mountains are also looks very mighty. And we will go in closer to the water, and we will explore how really insane is that. Okay. Wow. We have water is very heavy still like. Oh wow, what an insane view. And the sound of this water is also very kind of very heaviest sound of this water. Wow. Only the prudential lovers can find this kind of places. Wow, you can enjoy the sound of this water. Yeah, sure, why not? If I can see here from the bottom of this adventure place, so we can also see that the rocks and the trees and also the mountains fully covered by trees and nature also. Yes. Wow. The sounds is very beautiful and enchanting. Did you enjoy? If yes, then you comment us. Wow, this is very huge. Now we'll explore further places. Okay, so we'll continue here. Wow, I found these beautiful flowers over here. If I can zoom out of this place, you can check out how beautiful is it. Wow. And also that water where I can show you. Yeah, so we just reached here our main trek, which is approximately 1 hour to go, and the sun is very crazy, you know. Wow. A heaviest water in village nowadays. Wow, I can, if you can see it, I just perfect zoom it. The crazy sound of nature is always mind-blowing. And right side of me, here we can find a beautiful nature view, fully covered by many rocks. And the mountain is really insane. Check out this. After beautiful flowers are also here. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye, and we will continue to explore as well as we can. So you can also subscribe to Nature Only, and now it's time to goodbye.